Well done, Master Winslow.
Oh, hey guys, Papa's back.
Papa, are your calculations done?
Yeah.
I'm nearly out of snuff berries.
It's proving more difficult than I'd hoped.
But we are going home, right?
Of course. Just not tonight. Now, off to bed.
Maya, aren't you a little big for that bed?
I was hoping I'd be
Huh?
sitting in my mushroom.
I mean, it's kind of made for the puppy. The puppy doesn't need that much room.
I've never spent a night away.
Kind of bought that for the puppy.
Well, it was last night.
Are you comfortable on her little bed? You want to show everybody what you're laying on?
Come here, Mama.
Come here, Maya. Maya, come on. Come here. See, that was under Maya. We actually bought that for Lola. But Maya is jealous. So she's going to lay down now. Lay down, Maya. On her blankie.
You know I miss Jesmer, Happy Smart, hey, Jokey Smart,
Greedy narrator.
Danger, Baker, Harmony. Oh, I miss Complimentary Smart. Always has
Maya.
nice things to say.
I'll tell you what I don't miss. Passive aggressive smart.
Do you need a bed of your own?
So nice, but when you